This video is a demonstration of the Wimshurst machine for use in Electrostatics Lab activity. The video will show shots from two angles. Some length measurements will be shown in video, which can be used to calibrate the length scales. All parts of the setup relevant to the demonstration is included in the video shot, or where needed, explained through this voiceover. I will try to limit this voiceover only to information needed for lab activity. Here the sound you hear is due to the electrical discharge. The amount of charges involved are small, so you can't quite see it, but the sound should be the indication of discharge. The discharge may be due to corona discharge. It is hard to tell when there is no visible spark. And we'll try it the other way for symmetry. Again, when you hear the sound, that's when discharge is occurring, even when you don't see the visible discharge. And the discharge may be due to corona discharge. Okay, we'll do this symmetrically. Or symmetric enough. I hope with these various discharges shown at different distances, you have enough information to estimate the voltages that Wimshurst machine was able to reach. I am showing the length measurement here. I'm going to first try to measure the length of the rod connecting one of the electrode spheres to the top of the Leyden jar. You should take your own measurement. And the second measurement will show the distance between the top of the two Leyden jars. I'll step back a little bit to show both sides. And the final measurement will be diameter of one of the larger electrode spheres. You will have to infer some of the readings. I hope with those three measurements, there's enough information to calibrate the main shot of the video. In this setup, I have connected two conducting plates to the electrodes of the Wimshurst machine. The conducting plates are circular, and you are seeing the side view. The electrodes of the Wimshurst machine have been placed far from each other so that the discharge only occurs through the conducting plates. The markings on the rails at the bottom are in centimeters. Please be mindful of the perspective effect as you use them to calibrate the length scale in the video. I'm trying to keep the plates parallel, but as you can see that the discharge occurs preferentially at the bottom portions of the plates are closer. And at far enough distances, discharge will not occur because the Wimshurst machine is not able to reach the high enough voltage. I hope that there's enough information in these videos to demonstrate the maximum achievable voltage of Wimshurst machine. Please let me know of any questions.